As you know, I am the Minister of Economic Development and Tourism. Sport-related tourism is a niche we are eager to explore further and wish to support all initiatives one way or the other. Tourism and sport are interrelated and complementary. Sport as a professional activity, hobby, or entertainment involve a considerable amount of travelers to play and compete in different destinations and countries. Sport tourism is one of the fastest growing sectors in tourism. Sporting events of various types and size attract tourists and participants or fans and destinations are trying to add their local flavor to distinguish themselves and provide authentic local experience. The Curacao Open Challenge 2022 contributes to this. Sport in general is essential in the development of our society. A sport as drafts is important for the individual practicing of it. It requires good concentration and will have an impact on the life of those who practice it and the society in general. Those who have good concentration can finish the task or answer questions faster and better. In draft games, concentration is very important. One moment of inattention and you can lose the game. Playing draft develops these skills. That's why we need to encourage more people, young and older, to become drafts players. Even though I am now the Minister of Economic Development, I am still a sportsman and supporting the youth in sport and sport in general. I always have my attention and dedication. Now I combine sport with economics, and that gives me a different angle, which I also like.